Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into a system that is absolutely changing the game when it comes to content creation. We're going to unpack the exact step-by-step blueprint for building a highly profitable, completely faceless YouTube Shorts channel, and we're doing it using AI. If you've ever sat there wondering how people are building these massive passive income streams without ever stepping in front of a camera or even using their own voice, well, you are in the exact right place. Let's just jump straight into the data. $36,438 in a single month. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But this isn't some made-up pie-in-the-sky projection. This is actual dashboard data from a fully automated YouTube Shorts channel. We are talking about consistent days pulling in over $1,000, sometimes $2,000. And honestly, the best part about all of this, it's not luck. It relies entirely on a repeatable system. So in this explainer, we're going to reverse engineer exactly how this works. Okay, let's run through the playbook. We've got 5 clear steps to cover. Number 1, choosing the right niche. 2, prepping the algorithm. 3, automating with AI. 4, the math behind virality. And 5, time to execute. Let's get into it. Starting off with step 1, choosing the right niche. Listen, this is make or break. If you get this wrong, none of the other stuff matters. We're looking at the 2 absolute powerhouses dominating the platform right now. First up, we've got Roblox Rants. The setup here is actually super simple. You take a highly engaging, fast-paced story, and you just layer it over some basic Roblox gameplay, maybe sprinkle in a few memes. It works like crazy because it builds this weirdly strong parasocial connection through the story, all while keeping the viewer's eyes glued to the gameplay. We're talking channels hitting 400 million views in just 3 months with this. Then, on the flip side, we have the video ranking niche. This is where you grab viral clips from TikTok or Instagram and rank them around a theme, like, ranking the funniest instant regret moments. The numbers here are just mind-blowing. 2.7 billion views across just 130 videos. Both of these formats are brilliant because you completely bypass needing to show your face, and they both pull in tens of millions of views because they're incredibly fast-paced. Moving right along to step 2, prepping the algorithm. This is all about avoiding the dreaded shadow ban. Honestly, this is where so many beginners crash and burn before they even get started. So here's the deal. YouTube's algorithm is super suspicious of brand new accounts that just suddenly start blasting out AI content. It assumes you're a bot, and bots get 0 views. End of story. Now, if you have an older, aged YouTube account lying around somewhere, use it. You can totally skip this part. But if you are starting fresh, you absolutely have to follow this 2-day warm-up routine. On day 1, just use the app like a normal human being for 30 to 60 minutes. Scroll the Shorts feed, like some videos, drop a comment or 2, and subscribe to a few massive channels, like MrBeast. Then, on day 2, do the exact same thing for another hour. Finally, dive into your settings and verify your standard feature eligibility. You're basically just tricking the algorithm into recognizing your channel as a legitimate human before you ever hit that publish button. Next up is your channel branding, and listen to me closely here. You have 5 minutes for this, 10 minutes tops. Perfectionism is absolutely your enemy right now. Please do not spend 3 weeks tweaking a logo. Just open ChatGPT, ask it for a catchy channel name and a profile picture concept. Then hop over to Canva, grab a free template, and just throw some text on a banner. For your description, keep it to 1 sentence explaining your niche, drop in an email address so you look legit, and maybe tack on a quick copyright disclaimer. That's the whole shebang. Your branding just needs to be good enough. The content itself is what's going to actually drive the revenue. All right, now we are shifting into high gear with step 3, automating with AI. This is where we speed up production and reveal the tools that do basically 90% of the heavy lifting for you. Okay, check this out. This is the exact ChatGPT prompt you're going to use to create a script for the Roblox Rants niche. First, you go find an inspiration video, something from a big channel that already went totally viral. You copy their transcript, paste it right into ChatGPT, and you use this specific prompt. Write a similar script in the exact same writing style, length, and tone, but about your topic. This is genius because it forces the AI to map the exact pacing and structure of a proven winner. It steals the cadence and the punchlines, not the actual words. So you just swap the topic, like, I don't know, my parents grounded me over a video game, and boom, you've got a completely unique, highly optimized script ready to go. And the workflow to turn that script into a finished video is just insanely smooth. Step 1. You extract the text from your inspiration video using YouTubeTranscript.com. Step 2, you feed it into ChatGPT with that magic prompt we just talked about. Step 3, you take your brand new script over to 11labs.io. Now, if you haven't used 11 Labs, it is an unbelievable AI voice generator. Seriously, it's indistinguishable from a real human. Finally, step 4, you drop that voice audio into CapCut, which is a totally free editor, slap some background gameplay and auto captions over it, and you are done. Once you get the hang of this, you're literally pumping out fully edited videos in under 10 minutes. Now, if you decide to go with the video ranking niche, it's actually even faster. You use ChatGPT to brainstorm highly clickable ideas, like, say, ranking the cutest cats in history. Then you jump into a tool called Viblo.ai. This thing is custom built to automate these ranking videos. You find 4 to 6 viral TikTok clips, paste the links into Viblo, and it stitches the whole thing together for you. But real quick, I gotta share a massive secret for keeping people engaged. Format your on-screen title into 2 lines, and make sure you use 2 different colors. Why? Because the human brain processes color contrast way faster than just reading a solid block of white text. It reduces cognitive load, meaning the viewer instantly gets what the video is about, which stops them from swiping away. It's a huge brain hack.
Okay, moving to step 4, the math behind virality. We're going to pull back the curtain on the actual hard data that makes the algorithm go crazy.
If there is a single metric that decides if your video lives or dies, it's average view duration, or AVD. This is exactly how long the average person stays and watches your video. I don't care how amazing your title is or how insane your visual effects are, if your AVD tanks, YouTube will literally kill your video's reach on the spot. You're not shadow banned, your video just isn't holding people's attention. AVD is the heartbeat of your entire channel. Now, logically, you'd think the ultimate goal for AVD would be 100%, right? Like they watch the whole thing. But actually, if you want explosive, multi-million view virality, your target needs to be over 100%. How is that even possible? It's all about the loop. Say you have a 17-second video, but your AVD is 21 seconds. That means people watch the entire video, and then it loops seamlessly, and they sat there and watched the first 4 seconds again without even realizing it. You have to design the end of your script to flow perfectly right back into the beginning. If you can get people to effortlessly loop your content, the algorithm is going to push it straight to the moon. And then there's the second crucial metric, swipe rate. This is the brutal, unforgiving 4-second test. It measures how many people land on your video in the Shorts feed and just instantly swipe past it. Picture a viewer with their thumb just hovering over the glass of their phone. Your visual and audio hook needs to be so aggressively interesting that you literally freeze that thumb. Your swipe rate tells you, objectively, exactly how good your hook really is. So, here is the golden rule you need to commit to memory. You must keep your swipe rate under 20%. If you're looking at your analytics and your swipe rate is sitting at 40 or 50%, it means half of the people who see your video are bailing immediately. If that happens, you've got to go back to the drawing board. Change your opening clip, tweak your title, use that 2-color text trick we talked about earlier. Make sure those first 3 to 4 seconds are basically impossible to ignore. And finally, we've arrived at step 5, time to execute. Because honestly, knowing how the algorithm works is only half the battle. Now you actually have to do it. Look, we've laid the whole thing out for you. You've seen the specific niches that are completely blowing up right now. You know how to warm up your channel so you don't get banned on day 1. You have the exact AI prompts and the tool stack to shrink your editing process down to practically nothing. And you understand the viral math, AVD over 100%, swipe rate under 20%, that forces YouTube to promote your stuff. At the end of the day, the only difference between the person pulling in 35 grand a month and the person making 0 is taking action. So I'll leave you with this. You have the blueprint, you have the AI tools, and you know the math. Are you going to take action today? Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this explainer. Now get out there and start building that automated income.